Okay, so we have two parents in the panel with special needs. One by choice, one without choice. Okay, तो हम लोग भी विदाउट चॉइस के कैटेगरी में आते हैं. सो वी हैव दुबे सर, ही इज ऑल्सो अ पेरेंट ऑफ स्पेशल नीड. दुबे सर, आपके लिए द मोमेंट यू हैव एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट योर किड इज विद स्पेशल नीड्स, तो व्हाट thoughts came into your mind? So what you are going to do, whether you are going to go for intervention, whether you are going to go to your native place or to Himalaya Parvat कि अभी वहीं जाके रहेंगे because these kids are not being accepted. So what is your thought process? Because I can see that you are also fighting for inclusion and helping these kids for almost 10 years now. We are still a baby, हम लोग तो अभी आए हैं. You are doing it such long. So share your thoughts. And
Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon. How's the Josh? Yeah, thanks. I cannot say this to army people. Rajiv sir is with me, of course. I am asking this question to the blessed one parent. Okay, now coming to the question of Amitesh sir. This is very tough question and tough moment for all the parents. Rajiv sir already covered half the part. Acceptance. When as a parent we accept, हम accept कर लेते हैं that our child has something special need. हमारी 50% प्रॉब्लम वहीं पे सॉर्ट आउट हो जाती है, हमारा माइंडसेट वहाँ चेंज हो जाता है. नाउ वी हैव टू थिंक व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. टुडे वी हैव टेक्नोलॉजी विथ अस, बट कैन वी रिलाई ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी? सबसे पहली चीज़ होती है गूगल करना, यूट्यूब में जाना. नाउ दीज डेज यू नो everyone has right to put anything on Google or YouTube. So can you rely on YouTube or Google? जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको वहाँ मिल रही है क्या वो सही है? Anyone can post anything, any article कि autism is curable, 100% curable, take this therapy, take that medicine. And you know, as a parent at initial level, it happens. You trust on that factor. Okay, maybe they are true. But the thing is that early intervention is very important. Early intervention जितना जल्दी आप start करते हैं, the blessed one, already they have started Coebles. This is very nice initiative. At least there are professionals. You can trust on certified professionals. Occupational therapists are there, speech therapists are there. You have to pay minimum charge. And you will get all the information based on the assessment of your child. So yes, you can trust on them because they are certified, they are qualified, they are experienced. So you can trust on them rather than going for a Google search or YouTube. So yes, number one, acceptance. Number two, early intervention. जैसे ही आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, आप जितना जल्दी अर्ली इंटरवेंशन के लिए जाते हैं, अर्ली इंटरवेंशन को लेके बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं कि कैसे वो इफेक्टिव है. मैं एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ. फॉरगेट अबाउट स्पेशल नीड चाइल्ड, जो इवन न्यूरोटिपिकल बच्चे हैं और एक आप हैं एज ए पेरेंट. आई एम गिविंग यू वन टास्क कि आप एक 17 का टेबल याद करके सुनाइए. आई डोंट नो वेदर यू नो और नॉट, बट योर चाइल्ड विल लर्न इट फास्टर देन यू. सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ अर्ली इंटरवेंशन एंड दिस इज साइंटिफिकली प्रूवन. ऑफकोर्स 7 years तक ब्रेन का डेवलपमेंट फास्ट होता है. द अर्ली यू स्टार्ट योर अर्ली इंटरवेंशन, the more result you will get. And I am very happy the Blessed One team is working in that direction. So of course it was, as a parent, if you ask me, it was very painful moment कि accept कर पाना, because 12 to 15 years ago the situation was not like that what is today. वहाँ पे कुछ early intervention नहीं था. Even very rare people, forget about people, pediatrician, even they were not aware about this term autism and all. I have met so many pediatricians. So it was really very painful. But when we came to know about this disorder, of course, we worked very hard and worked in that direction so that we can, of course, get some kind of improvement in our child. So hope I gave the answer to your question.
yeah, definitely.